registering for a workshop is really simple. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if somebody gives you the actual number for the workshop, then we can look for that. But one thing that I've found to actually help with this is, let's say I go over to workshops, and then maybe I want to click by date, because typically we know the date of the workshop. Now, if we look at some of these things, it tells us exactly the date. And you'll notice there are some older workshops in here, so we may have to scroll down and see. So let's say I wanted to register for one coming up, and it's going to be, let's see here, this one right here, this reading research class. Let's say I wanted to register for that one. So one thing I need to do is I want to click on the time, and it will take me to this page where I can read exactly what this is about. And then I'll click register. And once I do that, it launches a new tab. I will need to put in my social security number, and then I'll retrieve employee data. Once you do that, you'll notice that your name and all of your information should be here. And then you'll go through and complete the information. It won't let you finish the registration unless you've completed all the information. Once you've done that, you'll submit registration, and it may take a few minutes, but then it will show a page saying you successfully registered for the workshop.